There is a little chocolate left on your lower lip. To make the L sound, or L, make sure that the tip of your tongue is touching the top of your mouth, right around where your top tooth meets your gum. L, like in luck, luck. Less, land, loan, lip, luck. Look for less land. Look for less land. Village, faculty, along, wallet, application. I followed the villager along the alley. I followed the villager along the alley. Sell, apple, tremble, stall, an able whale can pull a seal. An able whale can pull a seal. Watch out for words that can end with an L or with an LD, and notice how the sound changes. Let's take a look at some minimal pairs. Bowl, bold, bowl, bold. Coal, cold, cold. Curl, curled, curled. Pearl, pearled, pearled. I sold the bowl full of cold coal. I sold the bowl full of cold coal. Many students also can confuse the L and the R sound, or L versus R. Let's take a look at some minimal pairs for these sounds. Lead, red, lead, red, lash, rash, lash, rash. Play, pray, play, pray. Roll, roar, roll, roar. She prays she really likes the leading role. She prays she really likes the leading role. Little lucky, little lucky. Left alley, left alley. Less land, less land. Lower lip, lower lip. Lead pencil, lead pencil. Trembling legs, trembling legs. There's a little chocolate left on your lower lip. Lip, lower lip. Left on your lower lip. Little, little chocolate. There's a little chocolate left on your lower lip. Second sentence. Don't leave lead pencils lying on the cold vinyl floor. Floor. Vinyl floor. Cold vinyl floor. Don't leave lead pencils. Don't leave lead pencils lying on the cold vinyl floor. Last sentence. They like rolling logs down the lower alley. Alley. Lower alley. They like rolling logs. They like rolling logs down the lower alley. When the letter L is after a long vowel, it's going to get its own little syllable and it will sound like ol. Here's an example of some words that contain long vowels and are followed by the ol sound. File, file, fail, fail, feel, feel, foil, foil, fool, fool, file, fail, feel, foil, fool. I feel the sail's oiled seal failed. I feel the sail's oiled seal failed. That concludes this video on the L sound. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, please be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.